Major winter storm to bring ferocious blizzard conditions and travel hazards across the country. Travel in northeast New Mexico, eastern Colorado, the Oklahoma and Texas Panhandles, western Kansas, and southwest Nebraska will become extremely dangerous to impossible. The Weather Service said in an advisory early Monday that up to 2 inches of snow per hour could land in the central and southern plains Monday night into Tuesday. Snowfall rates exceeding 2 inches per hour and widespread wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour are expected as this system advances into the Midwest overnight into Tuesday. Around 42 million people are under winter weather alerts, with blizzard warnings extending from northeastern New Mexico into south-central Nebraska. A view of the west coast today via NOAA. As goes west, satellite shows a powerful winter storm, bringing heavy rain and snow to the Pacific Northwest.
92 to 365.
As of 3 p.m., I-70 closed now at Hayes to Colorado, east and westbound. If you were wondering why, look no further. Please stay home. It's getting to the point to where we will not be able to rescue you if you get stuck because we are having trouble getting around now, says Kansas Emergency. For more weather updates, please like and subscribe.